Hi everyone, welcome to Playful Learn Babyboss. Today let's make a car. See, we can make a car like this. For that, I'm taking here one red and black pepper, pencil, scissors. So first, I'm going to fold this red pepper like this into half. And let's fold down here like this. Both the sides. Now I'm going to draw a car shape. This will be the outline of our car. Now let's cut this. Okay, it's ready. Now let's draw some windows. See, these will be the windows. I have cut these two papers and I will stick them on the red paper like the windows. Now let's erase the pencil marks. Okay, so now let's join these two edges. So I will apply glue here and I'll join these edges. Okay, it's done. Now I'm taking here small circles. I'm attaching this red circle to the black one. Actually, these circles I'll be using them as the wheels of the car. So I'm making 4 wheels. So now let's place the circles to the car. So our car is ready. Now let's put some eyes. For fun, I'm putting these eyes. If you don't want, you can leave this part. Now I will be attaching them here. And let's draw a mouth. So kids, our car is ready. Kids, I hope you like this video. Try this at your home. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.